Webkey is a remote control software for Android.
The Webkey Terminal's features enable real-time pseudo terminal access to your Android devices. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install and run Debian Linux applications on your Android in chroot jail environment. To access and use the terminal features, you'll need a rooted Android device with the Webkey application installed, plus a PC with Linux OS. First, prepare the chroot environment on the PC. On your PC, create a folder and generate a formatted mountable image. Then install the Debian Buster Linux inside the chroot environment with the dbootstrap command. Then upload this image to your web server to download it later. Now, on your Android device, download the Webkey client app to your device. Then install and register an account. Finally, on your PC, first open the WebCC dashboard and sign into your account. Then select your device from the list and launch the terminal. Create a new folder and download the image file that you created earlier. Mount the image and use BusyBox to change chroot to this environment. Now you can act as a Debian distributor. Try writing Midnight Commander as an example. How cool is that?
If you need a private server license or want to integrate your own software, contact us. Webkey. Take control.